Yeah, what's up guys? This is Kinsey First Trader right here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, if you're already here, you know how we do it. Please smash that like button for me already. So now I'm going to show you how to cash spike on Boom 300 without anything, no indicators. You just have to understand how the movement is and you just enter and cash your spike. So it's going to be simple and the spike is going to come very soon, very soon, very soon. All right, so what I need to do now is that let me show you my analysis first. Let me show you my analysis first, or rather let me place a trade so that I won't miss the spike. Okay, so that in the course of explaining, the spike will come. I'm going to place use the lowest loss size and place a buy. All right, I've bought this. Now the analysis is very simple. We are interested in catching spike, and you know this is highly volatile, and when a spike comes, we are going to recover our money, our little losses, and be in profit, a good profit. So I'm just in this video, I just want to show you how I catch spikes on Boom 300. Okay, without indicators, just looking at the price, behavior, and every other stuff. I entered my market, my trade. Now look at the first thing. I have to go to 4 hours time frame, okay, to see the overview of the movement of the price. Where is the trend? Where is the direction of the price? Okay, now if I go to 4 hours time frame, you can see the price right now. You can clearly see that this is an uptrend. Okay, the price keep making this movement. Okay, you can see how the movement is very simple, and now there's a pullback. We had our first spike. Okay, we had the spike, guys. Let's go and check. It's very small, it's very small. The spike is very small. We wait for more spikes. You can see it's very small right there. So let me go back to 4 hours time frame to continue the explanation. Now you can see the movement. This is an uptrend. It's a clear uptrend. So that's number one thing you need to know. I want you guys to understand how to actually do your analysis. Okay, I'm not just interested most time in strategy. I drop strategies here because people always ask me to drop strategy. Please drop strategy on this, on that, on this, on that. But for me, I prefer teaching and making you understand how simple trading the forex market is. Okay, when when you actually give it your time, now this is an uptrend. Okay, it's clear, and I hope nobody is doubting this. If you are doubting this, leave a comment below. Tell me it's a lie, it's not an uptrend. Okay, so the next movement we are expecting is that we want this price to break the previous high, that is the swing high up there. So we're expecting the spike to come and push the price upward and break that previous high. Okay, for this uptrend to continue. So now I've seen that this is an uptrend and I'm expecting more spikes. Okay, on 4 hours time frame. So I have to go down to 1 hour time frame, and I'm still seeing the same thing. It's a clear uptrend. And I want my price spikes to come to push this price upward and break that previous high. Okay, so now after this, you have seen 4 hours and you have seen 1 hour. Now we are going down to 5 minutes. Okay, we're going down to 5 minutes time frame, and you still see the movement. So currently we're on a pullback on 5 minutes, but it's an uptrend. Okay, we're on a pullback, but it's clearly an uptrend on 5 minutes time frame. So we want to enter the trade on a pullback on 5 minutes time frame, so that we'll be able to catch the whole movement. Okay, you see, you discover that small spike. Just that is a spike. I saw the signal before I entered the trade. I thought the spike is going to be long or longer, but it was very small. But notwithstanding, we're expecting more spikes. If you can see, as you can see here, this is the spike. I got the signal before entering the trade, but it was small. But more spikes will be coming. Because this is a clear uptrend. You only have to wait for it. You only have to wait for it. Okay, guys, it's very simple. And once you discover this, you went to 4 hours time frame to check is an uptrend. You go to 1 hour time frame, check is still an uptrend. Then you come down to 5 minutes time frame to discover a pullback. Okay, so if you discover a pullback like this one happening now, then you place your trade and wait for it, so that when the spike will be coming, the little money you are, because we currently are losing money, but it's very little, it's not even up to $1 yet. But when the spike starts coming, we are going to be recovering, we are going to be making a lot of money out of this. This is very simple. No indicators. So after now, if you like using indicators, or you want to pull up any indicator, you can now put up any indicator to in your chart to see if the price that overbought, oversold, and all that, maybe in 1 minute time frame, for you to catch the spike easily. Okay, so because I'm going to stay for some time, that's why I placed my trade on. Unless if I'm just catching one spike, I would have closed immediately when this small spike came, because that's my target, but it was too small. So what you need to do, if you don't have enough equity, once you catch this kind of small spike, you close. Okay, once you catch it and it keep going against you, you close, because the spikes might take some time to come. The longer spike might take some time, but it might not be up to 5 minutes or 6 minutes to come, but you might not wait. Some of you don't even want to risk even $1 per trade. So it's very important you give your charts, your trade room to breathe. Okay, you give your trade room to breathe. You can risk up to $3, $4, $5 if you are using a $50 account, or from $20 to $50 account. Okay, if you are using a $100 account, you can risk up to $7 to $10 per trade. That is when you are giving your price room to breathe. Once you have done your analysis, you give your price, your stop loss, you give it a room, so that the price will be able to react, make some movement before you go into your direction. But if you set your stop loss so tight, even when you are right with your analysis, the price is going to break or trigger your stop loss on time, because your stop loss is too tight. Okay, guys, so now I want to show you, if you are watching this video till now, I want to give you a bonus tip. Okay, I don't want you to lose this kind of money in this kind of trade, guys. Are you with me? So I actually said this video will be just using price action without any indicators. But now, because of the little spike we had, we actually entered the trade to catch this spike, but it was very little. I want to give you a secret of how to enter the right time. Okay, how to enter the right time. So I'm going to show you some indicators you need to add for you to know the perfect time to enter and catch those long spike. Using our analysis, you see, is correct. We can enter and catch the spike, but the one we had is small. So I don't want you to enter into this kind of trade. So you needed an indicator to confirm the right time to enter. We know that 100%, let me say 99.9%, that spikes are going to come and we are going to recover all our losses. Okay, but if you don't want to keep waiting for this long red candlestick dropping, because by now you could have been losing up to $2. You see, $2 now. So if you don't want to lose up to $2 when you have a $10 account, but if you have $100 account or you have $50 account, please always risk a bit higher. I don't say you should risk your whole account. You should risk at least, if you have $50 account, you can risk up to $5. Okay, per trade is a good management. You can risk $2 per trade, but some of you just risk 0.5, $1, $2. When you have $50 accounts, your price won't move at all. So now all you need to do, I will pull up the indicator because I've added the indicator already. So look at the problem here. You can see my lines, my indicator lines are still far away from our sold region. Okay, you see the problem? That was the problem why this thing is dropping. So this is a secret I'm showing you right now. That's why I decided to keep it at the end of the video, so that if you are still watching till now, this is the secret. Now, after checking your higher time frame, 4 hour time frame, and you see it's an uptrend, you check 1 hour is an uptrend, come down to 5 minutes time frame and the trade is on a pullback. If you come down to 5 minutes, it's on a pullback. All you need to do is to scroll down to 1 minute time frame. If you are catching spike, then wait for all our lines, these 3 lines, to converge at level between level 20 and 10, and you enter your trade. That way you won't be waiting for more red candles. Okay, you won't be seeing more red candles before your spike starts coming. Okay, this is the best way to do it. This is the best way to do this. You won't wait for your you won't be waiting this long, even though you know that the spike is coming to recover all. But I want you to be more accurate, so that you will not be risking high. All right, so what you need to do is just wait until this 3 lines here converge at level 20 and 10. That's all. Let me show you the setup of this. You just have to add your relative strength index. Okay, yeah, and you have your level 90, 80, 20, 10. You can see that the period is 14. Screenshot this and set it up yourself. Then the next one is Ichimoku. You have your 1, 2, 50, 52. Okay, don't click this. Okay, just leave it empty. Then you can see my setup here. The first and second, you change, change it to any color of your choice. But third, fourth, fifth, okay, that is this 4, 3, the up combo, down combo, and that the other one. So you just change it to your background color. Okay, change it to your background color. Once you change it to your background color, you click done, and the last indicator is our moving average 25, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. You can see these 4 pixels, then change it to any color of your choice. So you are waiting for when all of them converge at over sold region before you enter. If you want to be more accurate, but for me, I already have my plan that I will be risking up to $5 to $10 in this trade, so I have to enter anytime after using my top bottom analysis. I don't need to wait for indicators. I can enter my trade and still wait. But for you who might not be able to risk up to $10 in this kind of trade, then the best thing is to pull up this indicator and know the right time to enter. Okay, so this is the secret I want to show you if you are still watching this video till now. I want you to start testing it out on Boom 300, and it also works on Crash 300. Just check the trend on 4 hours time frame, on 1 hour time frame, then come down to 5 minutes time frame and look for a pullback like what I've shown you, then enter your trade. Or if you don't want to risk more, you pull up your indicator, put your indicator, and wait for all of them to converge at over sold region before you click that buy button here on Boom 300. If it's on Crash, you know what to do. You sell. Okay guys, this is it. I will see you in my next video. This is how simple this this strategy is. So test it out and see how it works. Give me a feedback on the comment section, and I will reply. Give me a feedback on this strategy, guys. Give me a feedback on this strategy. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye for now.